In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a quiz to your Squarespace website. This process involves using Common Ninja, a versatile platform that offers a variety of widgets for enhancing your website's functionality. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to successfully integrate a quiz on your website. First, you'll want to head over to Common Ninja's website. This is where we will create the quiz widget that will eventually be embedded in your Squarespace site. Once there, navigate over to the Widgets Plus section. This area hosts a wide range of widgets, and for our purposes, we're interested in the quiz feature. In the Widgets Plus section, type Quiz into the search bar and press Enter. You'll see several options appear, and you must select the quiz maker. This specific tool is designed to help you craft quizzes easily and intuitively. After selecting Quiz Maker, click on the option that says Create a Quiz. This is where the magic starts. You'll be guided through a series of steps to tailor the quiz to your specific needs. You can customize everything from the questions asked to the visual aesthetics of the quiz itself. Once you've configured your quiz to your liking, the next step is to click on Publish. This will make the quiz available for embedding on other platforms. After publishing, you'll be prompted to click on Save Widget. This is crucial as it stores all your changes. You'll then need to select a folder where you'd like to keep this widget organized within your Common Ninja account. Following this organization step, ensure you click on Save Changes to confirm everything. What you need next is to obtain the code required to embed the quiz into your Squarespace site, so go ahead and click on Copy Code. This action will copy the generated HTML code to your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now that you have your quiz code, move over to your Squarespace website editor. Locate the option to Add Block, click on it, and then choose the Embed option. This is the function that allows you to add external content. In the Embed area, click on Edit. Here, you'll be clicking on the Code Snippet option to allow custom code segments. Once in the Code Snippet section, you're prompted to click on Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code that you copied earlier from Common Ninja. After pasting, make sure everything looks good and click on Save. Your quiz should now be live on your Squarespace site, ready to engage your audience effectively. There you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enriched your Squarespace website with an interactive and fully custom quiz using the power of Common Ninja. Enjoy how it enhances your site's interactivity and engagement levels with visitors.